Welcome to the Media Creator channel. In this video, I will show the writing effect that goes over the photo. Drag your photo to work. Separate the person in the photo from the background. Copy it with Ctrl+J. Write text for writing effect. The article is ready. Make a copy with Ctrl+J. While the layer is selected, right-click and convert to shape. We turn off the fill from the up menu and select our stork color. Enter the value of 6 pixels. Drag the font layer under the photo. Our effect is ready. I'll try it in another photo. Subscribe for the continuation of the trainings and press the like button.